In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create background music using Suno AI. We'll walk through a simple, reliable workflow that keeps vocals out and puts the focus on mood, atmosphere, and instruments. By the end, you'll have clean background tracks ready for videos, streams, or studying. First, open the Suno Create page, log in, and click Create. When the mode options appear, choose Custom Mode. Custom mode gives you the most control over how the AI interprets your idea, which is exactly what you need for background music where clarity and consistency matter more than a lead vocal. Next, guide Suno away from singing by shaping your prompt to emphasize instruments. Use phrasing like instrumental focus, no vocals, or ambient instrumental score. You can also name instruments and textures you want, such as soft piano, warm pads, light percussion, to reinforce that the music should support the scene, not overpower it. Now choose your background style based on where the track will live. For cinematic BGM, think evolving textures and subtle dynamics that tell a story without grabbing attention. For gaming or streaming, steady rhythms and unobtrusive loops work well, keeping energy up without clashing with dialogue. For TikTok or Reels, aim for catchy, concise motifs that loop cleanly. For relax or study, prioritize gentle, repetitive elements and mellow tones that fade into the background. In custom mode, pay special attention to the lyrics field. Leave it empty or explicitly type no lyrics, instrumental only. This is one of the strongest signals you can send to reduce vocal generation. Pairing this with an instrumental focus prompt dramatically improves your odds of getting a clean result. When you're ready, click Create. Suno typically returns two variations with slightly different moods or intensity. Listen through and pick the cleanest instrumental, one with no singing, minimal vocal-like textures, and a consistent background feel that fits your use. If vocals still sneak in or the vibe isn't quite right, refine it. Option 1 is to regenerate by nudging the prompt. Reaffirm instrumental only, restate your style, and emphasize key instruments while avoiding words that suggest a singer. Small wording changes can make a big difference. Option 2 is to extend from a clean section. Identify a portion with zero vocals, remove or skip any vocal parts, and build a continuation that preserves the same instrumentation and energy. This lets you grow a solid bed of music while keeping it distraction-free. Follow this workflow and you'll consistently create polished, vocal-free background music with Suno AI.